How to get the Poseidon road in Fish on Roblox. So in this video, I am going to show you how to get the brand new Poseidon road in Fish on Roblox. So this is a must have for any serious fisherman in the game. So let's dive right into it. And here is the step-by-step guide related to this. Step number 1, getting to the Atlantis area. First, make sure you are in the Atlantis area. Once you are here, head over to the trial entrance, which is the right here. So it is recommended to equipping some flippers to make the swim easier. I will be using my super flippers. Alright, now that I got my flippers on, let's jump in and swim down through the tunnel. Step number 2, finding the Poseidon temple and the door. Once you are swimming down, you will come across the Poseidon temple. But don't stop there. You need to keep swimming past it, and eventually you will find the little door right there. This is where you will be able to unlock the Poseidon door. But there is a catch. Step number 3, understanding the fish sacrifice requirement. You have reached the Poseidon trial, where you will be required to sacrifice certain fish in order to proceed. Let's break down what you need to for each door. Step number 4, left door fish requirements. If you want to go through the left door, you will need to gather these fish: a whale shark, an ice beard, a hammerhead shark. Once you have all of these, you can move on to the next room. Step number 5, right door fish requirements. Now for the right door, you will need these fish: an ancient megalodon, a great white shark, a genius shark. Once you collected all of these sharks, head over to the next area. Step number 6, unlocking the Poseidon road. After you have completed the fixed sacrifices, the door to the Poseidon road will finally open up for you. All that left to do now is go inside and purchase your brand new Poseidon road. And there you have it. That's how to get the Poseidon road in Fish on Roblox. It might take a little effort to gather all the fish, but once you have it, the Poseidon road is an awesome tool to have. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.